Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. According to the available data, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra leak suggested redesigned frame, thinner bezels, upgraded camera specs, and many other exciting features. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra may have revised frames, including the sides, resulting in reduced bezels. The smartphone is also said to include an updated camera. Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup, the next generation flagship, is likely to get a variety of software and hardware tweaks. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra launch date is months away, the leaks about the flagship have already started floating online. In the latest leak claimed, the South Korean giant is expected to offer the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with several design changes, including a new redesigned frame for a better hand feel in the future. According to the post shared by famous tech tipster Ice Universe on X.com, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will get a new frame design that is more rounded from the back panel and much straighter on the front side. It will eventually make the frame thinner and lightweight compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra model. Not only that, these design changes will also reduce the bezels on the left and right sides of the display. Previously, the tipster claimed that upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the thinnest Ultra of the Galaxy lineup and will feature rounded corners, which will remind users of the Galaxy Note 7. These changes with the new frame could make the device more comfortable and easy to hold. Aside the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra design leaks, the sources also stated that the handset would include a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Speaking of processors, there is still much conjecture about whether Samsung would continue to employ Snapdragon CPUs or switch to in-house Exynos processors, as was the case with the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus models. There is also speculations of AI-powered Bixby, which will be introduced later this year. The Galaxy S25 lineup is expected to be the first to get it and rival the Apple Intelligence-powered Siri. Other smartphone characteristics will be included: a most powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, latest Android 15 operating system with One UI 7 user interface, new improved display, upgraded new S Pen stylus, and many other great features. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.